Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a bunch of new first impressions with makeup that I have been really eager to try. I get a lot of stuff in the mail, but some things I just instantly gravitate towards. So most of the things in this video are things that I have been dying to try and have been waiting to try on camera for you guys. So if you want to see how to get this look and what I thought of the process of creating this look, then just keep watching. So I have tape on my eyes. I almost never do that, but I just wanted to. I was just feeling it and I just wanted to do it, so I'm doing it. And we are going to be using the NORVINA palette. This palette is so incredibly gorgeous. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I love this brand for eyeshadow palettes. I love the modern renaissance. I love the subculture, even though a lot of people hate it. I loved the soft glam. So I'm going to be starting off with the shade Base, which is obviously going to be our base, because why would you not start off with the shade Base? So I'm just putting that all over the lid, and I already have concealer all over my lid as a base and to clean up underneath my brows. So I did that off camera. So right now I'm just applying this color. Then I'm going in with the shade Incense, which is a gorgeous transition color, just like your basic tan. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Love, which is this pretty rosy pink color. And as far as fallout, I feel like this performs the same. This is my first time using it, but there is some fallout and I don't mind that. Like, it's not falling out all over my body, so I don't really care if my palette looks a little bit messy. It's like the same as like Modern Renaissance, like it's the same formula, so I don't understand why some people get all like in a tizzy, because they blend out beautifully. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color Soul right here, which is this kind of like a purpley blue grayish shade. So I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. And just kind of like wing it a little bit. I think. I just made that up. And you guys have to understand, like, I'm not like a makeup artist. Like, I do makeup on YouTube, but like I just am like you guys. I like to just like play with makeup. I'm not like a board certified anything. So like, I like makeup and I feel like I'm good at it, but I'm not like one of those artists who's like super impressive, which if you guys follow me, I'm sure you know that, but I don't know, I just love makeup and I just love playing with it. So then I'm going to take a little bit of this rose gold color, which is kind of just like a rosy bronze, and put that right in the center. Ooh, that's really pretty. Because I still want this to be wearable. Like, I don't want to feel like, oh my god, a little bit too extreme. Because that's just how I am. Like, I'm such like a neutral girl. So when I wear like things with like colors in them, I get a little bit intimidated. So I'm just putting that right in the center. And these are so pigmented. It's so good. Like, sometimes when you have like shimmery shades like this, like you have so much fallout and it's just like not sticking, or it's like only sticking to the brush. This is actually really good. I like that. This is fun. Are you guys having fun? So I actually think I'm gonna take a little bit of this celestial color, this gorgeous purple, and I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put it like right where it transitions to that purpley color. I don't know if it will really make a difference, but we're gonna do it. I am digging it. Let's try Dazzling, which is more bronzy. Dude, this palette is so good. I just cannot get over how these shimmers are just so smooth. Then on the very inner corner, I'm just gonna take a little bit of Dreamer. Dream on, dreamer. Just gonna put that right there. Wow, I'm stunned. I haven't really looked on YouTube to see like what the reaction is to this palette. So I don't really know if people are loving it, but I am. I honestly feel like this causes wrinkles. So then I'm going to quickly just add these lashes. These are the new Kiss Triple Push Up collection in the style Garters. Okay, so next I'm going to be trying out this new primer from Tarte. This is their Quench Hydrating Primer. I personally like primers that are not like silicone texture-y, like that gel texture. They just don't work for my skin. I keep trying them and they just keep like backfiring on me. So I think this is supposed to be a little bit more of like a gel, but not like a silicone gel, more like a lotiony gel. I don't know. Ooh, feels really like cooling on the skin. If you guys are familiar with the Tarte skincare, the H2O moisturizer, like the texture of that is like really similar to this, and it just feels like really just very smooth and like cooling on the skin, which I like. So we'll see how that wears underneath. So then I'm going to be using this new foundation from Benefit. This is their Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. And I am going to be using this in the shade number 6. It says it's a light medium coverage liquid foundation with SPF 15. So all that sounds good. So we're going to try that out. Ooh, it's leaking. It's leaking. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'll just put it on my finger. And then see how it goes. Maybe I wasn't supposed to shake it. I don't know. Okay, so let's just put the leakage on. Here. Hello Happy. Okay. So it's a very thin consistency, like it is like a true liquid foundation. And P.S. this is my Tarte favorite brush, but in the cute packaging they just came out with this and I'm obsessed. So as I'm blending it out, it's definitely very lightweight, which I'm all about. It blends pretty easily, but most things with this brush do blend easily. So it definitely is on the light coverage side, which it claims to be, so you can't fault it for that. But it feels like literally nothing on the skin. As far as soft blur goes, I don't know if it's really being a soft blur. I have this scratch on my face from Des. She literally like scratched me like all down my body, so I don't know if that's really gonna be covered, but it looks good. It has a nice like fresh healthy glow, which I like. So then I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is not a new product for me. I've been using it and loving it, but it is new to the market. It's the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I'm using the shade Light Beige and I'm so obsessed with this. So this has more of a full coverage. So I think it's good to pair with a lighter coverage foundation. So you just really just add it to the areas where you need it. I definitely grabbed the wrong shade of that concealer. I think I usually use Warm Beige, but whatever, we'll just make it work. So then I'm gonna try this coconut setting powder from Marc Jacobs. It's the Invisible Finish Line Coconut Setting Powder, which the packaging is really intriguing. It has like this little like mesh catcher thingy. So we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. Let's try to bake. Let's see if that goes good. I'm not good at baking because I don't ever do it, and I always feel like I'm doing it wrong. But we're doing new things. Is this how you bake? I haven't baked since like 2016. I mean, I like bake brownies and cookies sometimes, but not my face. Okay, I feel like I don't like using it with a sponge. This is gonna be a hot ass mess. We're gonna let that set. Then I'm gonna be using this BECCA Be a Light palette, which I love anything BECCA has to offer for the face. I feel like they just have so many good glowy products. I'm gonna be using this palette. It's called the Be a Light palette, and this is the one for medium to deep skin tones. So first I'm gonna go in with the blurring powder, which you can use all over your face. Is that the blurring powder? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use that to kind of like set the rest of my face, and we'll see how it goes. It seems like it's similar to the Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder, which I love. Okay, I'm just dusting away this powder because I'm just like done with it. Oh, really quickly before I do anything else, I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm just gonna use these two colors, this one all underneath and then this one mainly on the outer edge. That under eye powder, I don't know if it's because I baked with it or what, but I feel like I just look really dry. Like, I'm not into the dryness. I don't know. Don't love it. It definitely looks really smooth, but it also looks really dry, and where I put it around my mouth, it looks really dry too. But anyways, then I'm gonna take the contour color in this palette, and I'm going to contour with it a little bit. I'm gonna use it on my cheekbones first. It's not that I don't like the bronzer, but I don't like how small it is and how close it is to that blush color. I feel like it's making it a little bit annoying to use, but the color is pretty. I also feel like if you are a deep skin tone, like, you're not going to want this palette because I'm only just like tan. So I don't know. Then I'm gonna go in with the blush color, which is really pretty. It's like this marbly, bronzy peach. Again, I don't like how small that little brick is, but it's all right. The color is really pretty. Definitely like a nice peachy bronze. I'm gonna take a little bit of that bronzer and contour my nose a little bit. Then I'm gonna try the brightening powder over here. Oh shit. This is the brightening powder and this is the blurring powder. Damn it all. Ah, it's confusing. Okay, so whatever. We're gonna take the blur powder. Just like using that to soften the nose contour. Like blend out that under eye a little bit. Let's see. I do like that better though. I feel like that should be the brightening powder, no? Whatever, you guys. Okay, so then for actual highlight, for some reason I thought that there was gonna be a highlighter in there. I guess there is not, so we're gonna use something else. I'm gonna go in with the Endless Bronze and Glow, and this is from the CHRISSY TEIGEN collection. It's so gorgeous. I love that there's bronze, peach, and like a shimmer, so I'm just gonna kind of mix the top two and apply right to the cheekbone. I've been trying not to apply my highlighter up too high because I feel like it kind of makes me look crazy. So I'm just going to apply it right where the actual bone is. On the nose. I just did my lip liner really quick. I used my favorite Iconic Nude lip liner. I use it all the time. Then for the lip color itself, I wanted to try one of these Melted MATTE-TALLIC lipsticks from Too Faced, and I'm not sure which one I want to use. There's like a few that I think are really pretty. You Better Work is like a darker nude. There is Faking It, which is like a basic nude, and then a really light nude is Pillow Talk. So which one do I want to use? I guess we'll go with Faking It. That one looks like a good one. Let's try her out. Ooh. I like that. They smell like vanilla. And I like that it's not super duper frosty. Like, we don't need Frosty the Snowman up in here in the middle of July. Oh my God, it's like 5 months till Christmas. Oh my God. I just got so excited. Should I apply a little bit in the middle? I don't know, let's try it. I just can't leave it alone apparently. Just adding, ooh, dimension, ombre. So I just added a little bit of the lighter one, Pillow Talk, over top of it. Now we're looking really dimensional and juicy. Okay, so here is the final look. I think it looks pretty good. I'm obsessed with the eyes. I think the eyes came out so good. I love that palette. I know that it's going to be in my rotation. I love that there's a mixture of some fun colors, but also like your basic bronzes and neutrals that you need. So I'm really into that, and I just always love their palettes. The foundation actually looks really good. I paired it with a full coverage concealer, so I think it just like gives like the perfect finish. The powder, the coconut powder, I don't know, I felt like kind of drying to me. I probably wouldn't really use it again just because I just love my Laura Mercier and the Hourglass Veil one better. The BECCA palette was really interesting. I like the finish of everything. Like, everything looks really like radiant and airbrush, which I think is like the whole goal of this palette. I wish that these were bigger though. I just feel like they're just so small. Like, why are you so small? The CHRISSY TEIGEN highlight, gorgeous. But all of Becca's highlighters are gorgeous, so that's no surprise. And these liquid lipsticks, I am obsessed. I just love how it looks a little bit metallic, but not like over the top, like I have the just like glitter on my mouth. Oh, and then the Tarte primer I think looks really good too. I think my pores look pretty small, and my face doesn't look overly dry. The only thing that ever made it look dry was this. Maybe it's because I was like trying to bake with it and I don't like baking, so I'll have to try it again. But everything else I would definitely use again. If I had to redo my face right now, I feel like I would do it all over again. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you like the look that I came up with because I like it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I will check in probably vlog style. So I don't know why I'm saying bye yet. Okay, so it's been almost 9 hours. It's about 9 o'clock. And everything looks pretty good. We're not overly greasy. It's been so freaking humid here. But my eyelashes are basically coming off, so like don't mind those. Eee. But yeah, everything wore really well. Not greasy, not separating, and not looking gross. So thumbs up.
I just went when I laughed, and I instantly thought, Kiki, do you love me? Like, when I first heard that, I thought he was saying, like, are you writing? Like, are you writing me a letter? Say you'll never ever leave me? And then everyone was doing like this, and I'm like, it's writing. Writing, yes, writing.